Welcome to Luxurio, a gorgeous student accommodation located in the heart of Loughborough. This property offers a diverse selection of private and shared apartments, each adorned with large windows providing beautiful views of the skies. The generously sized rooms boast luxurious beds, a study desk with shelving units, and a spacious wardrobe for all your accessories. The kitchen is well equipped with essential appliances, including a cooktop and an oven. Among the common amenities, Luxurio also has a fitness center for a quick workout, a games room for hanging out with friends, a cinema room for movie nights, and a study room as a quiet space for exam preparation. Additionally, located a short distance from Loughborough College and Loughborough University, this residence is a favored choice among students. The Market Stop grocery store and Mbps pharmacy are nearby, adding convenience. For those days when you don't want to cook, order a takeout from Solemn's or Laughing Buddha restaurant. Within walking is the Phantom, which is a great place to enjoy a few drinks with friends. Plan a getaway at Abbey Park or Bradgate Park on weekends by boarding a bus from the High Street bus stop. Stay in the vibrant city of Loughborough by booking your stay at Luxurio's student accommodation via amberstudent.com.